Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to teach you how to answer a structured question from the Redox chapter. This question is from MRSM 2011, the fourth question. Diagram 4 shows the apparatus setup of an experiment to investigate the redox reaction between acidified potassium manganate 7 solution and iron 2 sulfate solution. So you can see in this diagram there's a U-tube and both the solutions are separated by a dilute sulfuric acid. So the first question to ask yourself is, which solution is the oxidizing agent? Is it acidified potassium manganate 7 solution or is it iron 2 sulfate solution? So you should have memorized already all the oxidizing agents. If not, please look at your textbook, the KSSM textbook, page 10, Form 5 textbook, page 10. And you can see from there that acidified potassium manganate 7 solution is the oxidizing agent. So that makes iron 2 sulfate solution the reducing agent. Remember that oxidizing agents go through reduction and reducing agents go through oxidation. And if we do a little bit of revision, oxidation is the loss of electrons. Reduction is the gain of electrons. First question, what is meant by redox reaction? Redox reaction is a reaction, a chemical reaction, in which oxidation and reduction occurs simultaneously. Okay, that means oxidation and reduction happens at the same time. Second question, show the direction of the flow of electrons. So to do that, there's two ways. Either you memorize, okay, that oxidizing agents will gain electron, okay, reducing agents will lose electrons, or you can also write the half equation to figure out. But from here we already know reducing agents go through oxidation, which is the loss of electron. So electron flows out from carbon B, okay, and it flows into carbon A. Okay, and at carbon A, the oxidizing agent, which is the acidified potassium manganate 7 solution, will gain electron. Okay, so when you show on the diagram, please draw the arrow on the wire itself because electrons flow on the wires. Okay, next question. Calculate the oxidation number of manganese in MnO4 negative ion. So let's just write down MnO4 negative. Okay, that means to say if we give X, give Mn and X, okay, X means the number, the oxidation number of Mn, okay, we add up oxidation number for oxygen, which is -2, and there are 4 of them. Okay, if we add up all these oxidation numbers, it must be equal to -1 because it's a -1 ion. Alright, so from here we can see that X would be equal to 8 minus 1, alright, which is +7. Okay, when you write oxidation number, you have to write the positive and the negative. So in this case, the oxidation number for manganese is +7. Okay, state the type of reaction that occurs at carbon A. So if we look back at the question, carbon A, what happens there? What reaction is reduction reaction. So reduction is the answer. Based on the reaction that takes place at carbon B, write the chemical formula of iron 2 sulfate. Alright, so iron 2 is Fe2 plus, sulfate is SO4 2 negative. So we just need one Fe2 ion and one sulfate ion. Put them together, you get FeSO4. This is the chemical formula for iron 2 sulfate. Say the color change of the solution after 30 minutes. So what actually happens? Let's write the half equation so that we know what actually happened there. Alright, if you look at iron 2 sulfate, we can ignore the sulfate. Iron 2, okay, actually changes to iron 3, okay, by losing one electron. Okay, iron 2 ion, okay, loses one electron, so it becomes iron 3 ion. Okay, so is there any color change? Iron 2 is green in color, iron 3 is brown in color. So yes, there is a color change. So it changes from green to brown. Right, the half equation we have written just now, Fe2 becomes Fe3 ion. Okay, describe a chemical test to confirm the product formed at carbon B. So what we need to do is we want to add 2 cm cube of the solution produced into a test tube. Okay, that is the iron 3 ion solution lah. Okay, and then we add NaOH until excess. Okay, that's one mark. Now the second mark comes from the result. So when we have NaOH and Fe3, what will happen is a brown precipitate is formed. This is from the salt chapter in 4. This brown precipitate does not dissolve in excess. Okay, so that's all for this question. Thank you.